What is up, Monet gang, and welcome back to my channel. Now before you do anything else, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you get notified each and every time I post. More videos on the way. So for this project, you're going to need some spray paint, epoxy, podge, and glitter if you want that. Okay, so the first step is to spray paint the tray whatever color you want to spray paint it. Oh, and I got this tray from the Dollar Tree for $1. You want to be sure that the tray is all the way dry before you start applying the decals. I thought mine was, but you're going to see that it actually wasn't. And I use my Cricut machine to create this decal. So this, what I'm putting on right now, is going to be a sticker, and then the weed like plants, that is vinyl. So I didn't apply Mod Podge to it, but I wish I did apply Mod Podge to the vinyl because it ended up lifting. I'll show you guys later on in the video. Also, you can use your printer to create decals. Just print the picture off, cut it, and apply the Mod Podge. Okay, so my camera cut off, so you don't see me apply the other vinyl or the epoxy. But I applied it, and now I'm just waiting for it to dry, which takes about 5 to 8 hours. I'm just going to let it dry overnight, and then I'll be back tomorrow to show you guys the finished look. Okay, so this is the final look. I do recommend using like Mod Podge because while it was drying, the vinyl did start coming up. And it didn't do that with the regular vinyl, so I think it was because it was the glitter vinyl. But yeah, it still came out pretty good. I like it. But thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.